Are you looking for ways to conduct a Windows Defender offline scan in Windows 10 or 11? Well, then you are at the right place. We have all the solutions you need to complete this process. This is the Windows Club. Windows Defender Offline Scan, which is also known as the Windows Defender Boot Time Scan, can help you get rid of the malware, which are otherwise difficult to remove. So let's get started on how you can complete this process. Windows Defender Offline Scan for Windows 11 and 10. To initiate this process, first you need to open the search menu and click on Settings. Then head over to Privacy and Security and then click on Windows Security. From there, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then under Current Threats, click on Scan Options. But if you are using an older version of Windows 10, then you need to go to Threat History and click on Run a New Advanced Scan. After that, you need to choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click on Scan Now. Once you click on this option, the computer will restart. Now after the restart, the system will start scanning and it will take some time. Once the scan is finished, you will be able to access the results from Windows Security feature. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.